Guys, if you liking it, give me a thumbs up. What a morning it has been, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful morning. I'm out here early in the morning today doing a quick little 130 mile morning run. This is my breakfast today. I've been meaning to get out early in the morning, do a little ride. Just didn't happen last time, had to cancel it. Sorry about that. That video would have been really amazing. So I'm doing the same loop, but I minus the Skyline Drive and trying to hit some nice back roads down towards Sperryville. The morning is very nice and cool. I see clouds above me. I just hope that it doesn't rain. Even though the chances of rain is there, but it's very less, like 3 to 4%. But the clouds do sure look like it might rain. But anyway, I'm out here on my gray Monster, guys. I made the route on Kelly Moto, as you guys saw the last video, and I shared the link. So if you guys are out in the area, don't know where to ride, check out my link. If the link doesn't work, just put the hot roads on Google Map, make yourself a nice route. I try to give the highlights of the best roads that I usually go on, and they are very, very fun. From my last video, the Trill, guys, I highly recommend it. It is nice and long, very curvy. You can really, do some really spirited riding. You can really enjoy it. So I know Chris, he loved it. And thanks for the post, Chris, on navigation for that road to get there and then the roads around it. So yeah, appreciate that, guys. And also, if all of you guys are enjoying my videos, remember to like, comment, and share. So now let's just get on the road. Let's get my miles done because I'm hungry for this. Let's go. All right, so I come to my first plater for this morning. Is this scrambled eggs or what? 5 miles on this, so my back road fun has now just begun. Just did the 11 miles to here. Pretty empty road, guys, and this looks nice, peaceful today. Just gotta get done with my ride in a particular time. I can continue my day as regular. Kind of like the early morning rides. The dark weather makes it appear as if the sky is pretty dark even right now, and it's gonna rain, but I don't think it's going to. It's just my dark visor giving the illusion. But this is beautiful, man. I'm enjoying it. Let's go. See the clouds? It's a little bit down. They're like over the mountains. Pretty nice from a distance. Not sure if the camera is capturing that. Turn. Get you by surprise if you're coming down with speed. See, look at the clouds, guys. They're covering the mountain. Oh yeah, Richmond Road, very famous. 8 miles on this. It's gonna be good. I remember this spot. We were waiting here for a couple buddies once. We were supposed to take the right back there and came here first, made a U-turn, and the 2 of the other buddies went straight. The road's a little bit rough here, but it's still rideable. It's not smooth, that's about it. So today I can finally explore this bend. That's nice. See if it brings me to some open scenic views in the morning. morning, that's the best thing. That is so peaceful. I love the fence in the back roads. Aw, dead fox. Cows on my left. Hopefully my ND filter is not too dark for this road and the setting is playing its thing to auto adjust. Riding solo now, I've noticed people are not able to, you know, come out this early because of work and I guess their sleeping schedule. But I'm making, oh wow, look at that first. Guys, this is, that is breakfast right there. I'm sure I'm gonna get more of that. But yeah, I've been loving the early morning rides. It's my like second one, I believe. My last one had to cut short, like I said earlier in the video, and this is a very similar route to what I was gonna do, so I was eager to come out and get this done because I know I will enjoy it. Any DMV members from DMV Motor Club, if you guys are down for early morning rides, let me know. I'll set up something and, you know, just show up on time. That's all I ask, and it can be even on a weekday like today. So that's why gotta be at a hefty pace so you can make it home on time for everything else. And I'm also doing this morning trip based on one of our members' recommendation. It's called Lynn Road, so I'm gonna be hitting that spot later today. If you come out here on Saturdays morning 10 to 12 at Culpeper Bikes and Coffee Meet, they do these roads on a monthly basis. So I remember we made a U-turn right over here once with them. Generally this spot, so I'm gonna be exploring more today. Gravel. So yep, the U-turn. That's one thing that I don't like in these area, that you run into gravel. I thought on the GPS I did a pretty good job. I guess not. So I gotta quickly look at the map and see what's my next option. Play with the GPS. I made a U-turn, so just go back this way. I will just follow it. Maybe I missed a turn, who knows. I usually get a notification if a turn is coming. I didn't hear it. Okay, fire it up. So now I know why they made a U-turn back then. That's last year. Exploring this random road. Sure where it's gonna take me pavement wise. Hopefully it's fully paved. It's not the best pavement. It got pretty decent amount of bumps. Wow, takes you back onto Richmond Road. I know it's a good road, so I'll happily take a turn. There you go, guys. Here's that Richmond Road again. Yeah! The road that I can have a good breather on. Done this. What? Oh, okay. I know. I'll take a right at that spot. Guys, I just realized the GPS looped me around, bringing me to the same spot again. But this time I will take a right turn on this road where I know where the road leads and not go straight. Oh wow, that is so funny. I only recognized it that this happened is because of the dead fox on the road. That is so funny. This is the Erin Mountain Road. the signs. Glad I turned right. It's a pretty tight spot. Okay, over here. Wow, and this water pavement ends on that right side. Okay, that's where we're turning left. So if it rains, this place would get flooded. Check it out. Yep, we're moving. This is my first time on this road. Aaron Mountain Road. Now it's just carrying me on. So I just hope everything is paved. As long as it's paved, I'm good. But it is pretty narrow. And pretty broken up. Ruda's Mill Road. Okay. Fetcher's Mill Road. Okay. Not raining, but I'm in the clouds, so my visor is wet, so is my camera. Hopefully the lens is good, but check out the views. I'll stop here for a quick little photo. Wow, gotta get this view. With the visor down, it is a lot more colorful. See? Clouds over the mountain. Top of it. It's farmhouse. Open land. I love this. It's great. Bike's gonna get dirty today. Let's keep moving. Oh, this is good. Feels fresh out here. Let's start this boy.
breakfast right there. Look at the view, guys. You can see some of the sun hitting the mountain, the clouds right over it, covering it. I think this is what I came for. All those detours in the morning, it's okay. This is amazing, man. I need a photo. Can I get a photo here? I don't even know. Tough spot. Try to snap something here. Alright, back on. But guys, that is beautiful. Whew, alright guys. Let's take a little break here. Here on this special road suggested by one of the members on the DMV Motor Club Facebook group. They said I try out this Etlin Road 643, and I'm at the intersection, about to hit it. There's that road name. That's the entrance. So taking me right into the mountains for that little view that we just got with the photo, and they got cloud coverage. This might be beautiful. A little nice little junction right here, and I'm gonna have my protein bar now and then get going on this road, on this monster, man. It's gonna be nice. All right, fellas, we got 70 more miles to go before I finish this route, and 5 miles of this Etlin Road. One of the reasons I came out for this ride is that road. Let's hit it. The views on the right is gonna be amazing. The sun's coming out, and look at that, guys. Ooh, this is like perfect icing on the cake for this morning ride. Who's having dessert this early? Dude, this is amazing. Check out the clouds. Okay, 5 miles of this. Kind of wish the road was well paved. It is good, it's paved, but it's not the smoothness that I was expecting. But scenics. Early morning with clouds this low, this is more than what you can ask for. So it's nice little chill cruise right here, and then some tree shades. After this road, we'll take a little gas stop. Wet here. Kind of valleys remind me of the roads in West Virginia when we were coming back a couple years back, bringing my brother's CBR, and we were trailering it back home. So I remember riding on those very skinny thin roads just like that. We were going through the mountains. You come down to a valley, there'll be, you know, people living in trailers and things like that. And it was early morning, so it was foggy, the clouds were down. Look at that spot right here, you know, all that rain that must have happened at night brought that gravel in. here for you guys to see this. And a smashed tree. Got everything. That 5 miles is already over. I just don't believe that, how quickly that happened. Oh, that's the other side of the mountain. Quick. Let's take a look back. Check it out. Amazing. Glad I came out here. Now let's turn left. See where this gotta take me. Gotta take a little stop here to show you what I just experienced. It was pretty amazing, guys. We still got the clouds. The views is nice, the temperature is just perfect. It's a nice little spot. Even if bikers come here, we can, take a little pit stop here in the future. Let me just check out what's inside. Oh, wow. It's a nice little shop. Okay. Let's carry on. This is my bike. Let's take a little sitter. Weekly Hollow Road. Guys, if you're liking it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment. Maybe get a conversation going down there. Share if any good roads that you know in the area that I missed. I'm in the area. So maybe next time when I come back out here, I'll include those as well. Okay, let's keep moving. Screw it back in. What's up, guys? Got that yellow light, get gas. That's what I'm doing. It's been a fun morning. Still got 51 miles till completion, so I'm gonna call it a done deal for the video here. Guys, I appreciate you watching the video, sticking through till the end. Always use the time bar in the bottom to skip through the video in case if you want to skip some of the spots, but I appreciate you guys watching the video. Remember to like, comment, and share. See you guys on the next one. Maybe join up with me on a ride like this. Alright, guys. Let the beast fill up its thirst, and you guys enjoy life. Till next time. Peace out.